Want that item, but your wallet's saying not right now. I'm about to show you how ShopPay can make those splurges a whole lot easier with installment payments. First, find that must-have item on your favorite online store. Make sure the store offers ShopPay as a payment option, while most stores will display the ShopPay logo directly on the product page or during checkout. Now, head to checkout. Once you're ready to pay, look for the ShopPay button, click on it. This will redirect you to the ShopPay interface. If you're already a ShopPay user, simply log in. If not, setting up ShopPay is quick and easy. You'll just need to enter your email, phone number, and shipping address. This is where the magic happens. If your purchase qualifies, you'll see the option to pay in installments. ShopPay will present you with different payment plans, usually split into 4 equal bi-weekly payments. Interest-free. Review each plan carefully. Be sure to understand the payment schedule and the amount due for each installment. Select the installment plan that best fits your budget and confirm. ShopPay will then process your order and send you a confirmation email with your complete payment schedule. Now, just keep an eye on your email and calendar for payment reminders. ShopPay will automatically charge your card on the dates specified in your payment schedule. That's it. You're now enjoying your purchase, all while spreading out the cost over time with ShopPay installments. Happy shopping! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips.